If you're tired of cleaning, adjusting, and replacing motorcycle chains, you're going to love this list. Today, we're counting down 7 incredible shaft-drive motorcycles that save older riders time, money, and a whole lot of hassle, while delivering the comfort and reliability every experienced rider deserves. Let's get started. Yamaha Super Ténéré 1200. The Yamaha Super Ténéré may have been designed with adventure in mind, but don't let that fool you. It's also one of the most comfortable long-distance touring machines ever built for mature riders. Thanks to its maintenance-friendly shaft drive, you'll never have to spend part of your weekend cleaning a dirty chain after a long ride. Instead, you can simply park the bike, grab a cup of coffee, and start planning your next trip. Comfort is one of the Super Ténéré's strongest qualities. The upright riding position reduces pressure on your wrists and lower back, while the wide handlebars provide excellent leverage at both highway speeds and slow parking lot maneuvers. Many riders over 50 appreciate how balanced the bike feels once it's moving. Although its size can seem intimidating in the showroom, the low center of gravity makes it surprisingly manageable on the road. Power comes from Yamaha's proven 1,199 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, delivering smooth, predictable torque that's perfect for relaxed touring. You don't have to rev it high to enjoy effortless acceleration, making highway passing simple and stress-free. Whether you're riding solo or carrying a passenger and full luggage, the engine remains composed and dependable mile after mile. Reliability has become one of the Super Ténéré's greatest selling points. Owners regularly report incredibly high mileage with minimal mechanical issues, proving that Yamaha engineered this bike for the long haul. If you've ever owned a chain-driven adventure bike, you'll quickly appreciate how much easier life becomes with shaft drive. But if you think this Yamaha is practical, wait until you see the German machine coming up next. Moto Guzzi 585TT. Moto Guzzi has been building shaft-drive motorcycles for generations, and the V85TT proves that tradition is still alive. Its distinctive transverse V-twin engine gives the bike a personality that's impossible to mistake. Every twist of the throttle reminds you you're riding something with genuine character, yet it's surprisingly easy to manage thanks to its smooth power delivery and balanced chassis. The shaft drive fits perfectly with the motorcycle's adventure touring mission. Riders who enjoy weekend getaways or extended road trips won't need to worry about carrying chain lubricant or cleaning grime off the rear wheel every few hundred miles. Maintenance stays simple, allowing owners to focus on enjoying the ride instead of constantly servicing the drivetrain. That's one less chore your garage will thank you for. The ergonomics are particularly friendly for mature riders. The seat offers excellent support, the riding position keeps your posture natural, and the suspension absorbs rough pavement without beating up your body. At highway speeds, the V85TT remains relaxed and composed, making long travel days surprisingly comfortable. It also has enough classic Italian styling to attract attention at every fuel stop. Speaking of motorcycles that combine elegance with comfort, the next one has been winning the hearts of touring riders for decades. BMW R 1250 RET. For riders who value comfort above almost everything else, the BMW R 1250 RT is difficult to ignore. It's often described as a luxury touring motorcycle on 2 wheels, and for good reason. Everything about this bike is designed to reduce rider fatigue, from its weather protection to its remarkably smooth shaft drive system that quietly does its job without demanding constant attention. The Boxer twin engine gives the RT a unique personality. It produces strong low-end torque that makes every ride feel effortless, especially when pulling away from traffic lights or climbing mountain roads. BMW's shift cam technology broadens the power delivery even further, giving riders smooth acceleration without any sudden surprises. It's the kind of engine that encourages relaxed cruising instead of aggressive riding. One of the biggest advantages for senior riders is how much technology works in your favor. Electronic suspension adapts to changing road conditions, cruise control reduces fatigue during long highway stretches, heated grips keep chilly mornings enjoyable, and the comfortable seating position allows many owners to ride all day without feeling beaten up afterward. It's designed to make long-distance touring almost ridiculously easy. Of course, premium motorcycles come with premium service costs, but the shaft drive eliminates one of the most frequent maintenance chores riders deal with. No chain lubrication, no adjustment, no messy cleanup after rainy rides. That's time you can spend riding instead of wrenching. And speaking of motorcycles that seem to run forever, but if ultimate long-distance comfort is your priority, our runner-up takes touring luxury to another level. Honda Goldwing Tour. Few motorcycles have earned the legendary reputation of the Honda Goldwing Tour. For decades, it's been the benchmark for long-distance comfort, and the latest generation continues that tradition beautifully. Its silky, smooth, flat-six engine produces effortless acceleration with virtually no vibration, creating one of the most refined riding experiences available anywhere. Naturally, Honda pairs that incredible engine with a nearly maintenance-free shaft drive. Thousands of touring riders have trusted this system for countless cross-country adventures because it's dependable, clean, and incredibly durable. Instead of worrying about drivetrain maintenance during your vacation, you simply fuel up, enjoy the scenery, and keep riding. Sometimes the best maintenance schedule is hardly thinking about maintenance at all. Everything about the Goldwing is designed with comfort in mind. The seat feels like a premium touring chair, the suspension isolates road imperfections beautifully, and the passenger accommodations are among the best in motorcycling. Add in modern technology, generous luggage capacity, and exceptional wind protection, and you have a machine built for riders who refuse to let age slow them down. But if you prefer something lighter while still enjoying shaft drive convenience, our next motorcycle might surprise you. BMW R 1250R. Not every senior rider wants a full touring motorcycle, and that's exactly where the BMW R 1250R shines. It delivers the same outstanding boxer engine found in BMW's touring lineup, but packages everything into a lighter, more agile roadster. The result is a motorcycle that's incredibly enjoyable on twisty back roads while remaining comfortable enough for all-day rides. Its shaft drive continues BMW's tradition of low-maintenance ownership. Without chain cleaning or adjustment, routine upkeep becomes refreshingly simple. Riders who don't enjoy crawling around the garage with cleaning brushes and chain lubricant will appreciate just how effortless ownership can be. After all, most of us would rather spend Saturday riding than scrubbing grease off a swing arm. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and balanced weight distribution create a motorcycle that's confidence-inspiring at both city speeds and on the open highway. It's powerful without feeling intimidating and refined without becoming boring. For experienced riders looking to simplify ownership without sacrificing performance, it's a fantastic choice. And speaking of motorcycles that blend performance with comfort, our runner-up has been quietly impressing riders for years. Kawasaki Concours 14. The Kawasaki Concours 14 may be known for its impressive performance, but don't overlook its touring abilities. Underneath its sporty appearance lies a motorcycle that's exceptionally comfortable for long-distance travel. Better yet, its shaft drive helps eliminate one of the biggest maintenance headaches faced by riders who put serious miles on their bikes. Powered by a 1,352 cubic centimeter inline-4 derived from the legendary Ninja Z X14, the Concours offers effortless highway cruising. The engine barely seems to notice interstate speeds, delivering smooth power with remarkable refinement. Yet unlike a super sport bike, the riding position remains relaxed enough for all-day travel. Despite producing plenty of horsepower, the Concours feels remarkably stable and planted. Its aerodynamic fairing offers excellent wind protection, while the comfortable seat and roomy ergonomics make cross-country trips surprisingly enjoyable. Riders who appreciate performance without giving up comfort often find this motorcycle hits a sweet spot that's difficult to match. The shaft drive quietly complements the bike's touring mission by reducing maintenance and increasing reliability over thousands of miles. Instead of worrying about chain wear during a multi-state trip, you simply fuel up and keep riding. Now it's finally time for our number one pick, BMW R 1300 GS. Topping today's list is the BMW R 1300 GS, one of the most versatile motorcycles ever built. BMW refined nearly every aspect of its flagship adventure bike, making it lighter, more capable, and even more comfortable than its predecessor. Its new boxer engine delivers impressive torque right where everyday riders use it most, providing effortless acceleration without demanding constant gear changes. The shaft drive system perfectly complements the GS's go-anywhere philosophy. Whether you're riding paved highways, mountain roads, or exploring gravel backroads, you never have to think about chain maintenance. That simplicity becomes especially valuable for older riders who prioritize reliability and convenience over constant mechanical attention. Less maintenance means more adventures, and that's something every rider can appreciate. Comfort is exceptional from sunrise to sunset. The upright ergonomics, adjustable suspension options, excellent wind protection, and advanced rider assistance technology reduce fatigue during long travel days while boosting confidence in changing road conditions. It's equally comfortable running daily errands or disappearing on a 1,000-mile road trip. For riders who want one motorcycle that truly does almost everything while keeping maintenance simple, the R1300 GS is incredibly difficult to beat. Those were 7 outstanding shaft-drive motorcycles that can save older riders time, money, and plenty of maintenance headaches while delivering comfort, reliability, and years of enjoyable riding. If you enjoyed this countdown, let us know in the comments which shaft-drive motorcycle you'd choose or which one you already own. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss our next motorcycle countdown. And if you're looking for another great bike that's perfect for experienced riders, check out the next video on the channel. You might discover your next dream motorcycle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.